This channel is called Systematic Hardware. My name is Zach, and if you like gaming, systems, and hardware, consider subscribing because I have a good one for you today. I'm gonna be building a 16-core monster inside the Phanteks P500A, the Ryzen R9 3950X, the MSI X570 Meg Ace, and a 64GB kit of G.Skill Trident Z Neo that's cast latency 16 at 3600 MHz. Now, why did I go with the 16-core 32-thread processor and 64GB of memory? That reason is content creation for this channel. I chose the RTX 2080 Super for the graphics card, an EVGA 1000W Supernova G3 Gold Certified power supply, the ADATA XPG 8200 2TB, and the Fractal Design Celsius Plus S28 Prisma. Alright, so that's enough talk about all these hardware specifications. Let's get on to the build video. why did I choose all of these high-end internal components for this system? I'm not gonna lie, I've been using it for gaming. I've been gaming on this system, but I plan to leverage all of these cores, all of the memory, all of that performance to create content and video edit for this YouTube channel. I only went with a PCIe 3.0 NVMe solid state drive, which is the ADATA XPG Pro, because it's a great price to performance drive where you get DRAM and you get cache. With that drive, you get 2 terabytes, but you're not spending, like I didn't want to spend for a PCIe 4.0 drive twice as much money. As for the all-in-one liquid cooler, I chose the Fractal design Celsius Plus S28 Prisma because it's a 280 millimeter all-in-one liquid cooler that has built-in RGB fans and it has a built-in fan hub. I don't have to purchase an extra fan hub to hook up all of these RGB fans in the case. At the beginning of the year was when I purchased all of these internal components. At the time, the Phanteks P500A hadn't been released yet, so if you'd like to check out an unboxing and overview of that case, go ahead and check out the upper right hand corner of the screen. I have to say, gaming on this system has been quite the experience. The level of smoothness when I loaded into Call of Duty Warzone was impressive. I went from an i5 2500K, I was able to overclock that. That was back in 2012, 2013. I finally built the newer system in 2016, 2017. I built the R7 1700 system with a GTX 1070. The gaming experience was good. It wasn't amazing because the lack of single core performance with the R7 1700. But when I went from the 1700 to the R9 3950X, I couldn't believe, just by going 2 generations, the single core performance improvement was noticeable. If you found anything useful in this video, go ahead and let me know by dropping a like. If you want to see anything done with the system, benchmarks, playing games, anything, you want to see the system upgraded to a RTX 3090, let me know in the comment section below. Now, why did I choose all of these internal... However, if you're welcome, and that CPU I only went with a PC for content creation, and yes, the 1000 watt and yes. Now why did I choose all of these internal components? Now why did I choose all of these So at the time, the Phanteks P500